Day one was awesome. It was a really BFO for me, the blinding flash of the obvious. You think you know everything, and after yesterday, it's like I went home and started crunching some numbers, and I got really angry with myself, but then also got really angry with the system, which we've all been told to just get into.
Day one for me was really good because I haven't made or been in property, so I'm just starting, but it was good to know that I can start off on the right foot rather than kind of learn all these lessons further on in life.
I was looking at the numbers last night, and over the years I've owned property, like I've wasted millions, not thousands, not hundreds, like millions of dollars paying dead interest to the bank, where I could have owned more property and I could have been having a better life now if I knew this 20 years ago. For me, it's like I know that I can go and work hard, or I can go and put my time into something and not give it away to someone else. I can keep it in my pocket, and I can keep it in my future. I can keep it in my family, so we seem to be doing stuff and giving the money to the banks, or giving the money to something else, where it's like we're in control now.